Goria products, more than it shows.
Hello everybody, today you will know the usage of PVC glue. Goria PVC glue comes with many different sizes for your selection. Let's find out what material is workable to bonding. ABS, sponge, metal, nylon, and lastly the PVC pipe. First we tried to bond sponge to sponge, applying the glue on the one side. The glue we used is clear color and it doesn't come with any smell. The friction between two sides make it fully contacted. And remember to press a bit with pressure. Now we try to glue the small part of the metal. Get these two metals bonded. But to make sure bonding come firmly, we used a clip to get it fixed. Let's do the same on the ABS material. See how it goes? PVC glue also can apply on the PVC pipe, carefully gluing the inside pipe. Pull through and spin a little so as to make two sides in good contact. During the test, we mix the material to see if there is possibility to work. Nylon to bond sponge, but also need something it could be headband or other to get it fixed. And here goes the ABS bond sponge. The same procedure as we did before. 24 hours later, the exciting thing happened. It is very difficult to apart it away. The ABS or the material could not be separated. The pipe is closely bonded. Even I peeled off the sponge, but the bonding area is stick to material. The PVC glue is the glue you could use on ABS, sponge, metal, etc. Mostly amazing point is that the bonding could be worked within different materials such as ABS to sponge, metal to sponge, etc. Next time you will see epoxy gap filler. Thanks for your watching.